Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to change Wi-Fi password in your router. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Changing your Wi-Fi password is a great way to keep your network secure. Here are the steps to do it. Find your router's IP address. Open the command prompt. You can do this by searching for CMD in the Start menu and clicking on Command Prompt. In the command prompt, type ipconfig and press enter. Look for the default gateway under your network connection. This is your router's IP address. Common IP addresses are 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Access the router's admin interface. On your computer or mobile device, open any web browser, for example, Chrome, Firefox, Edge. In the address bar, type your router's IP address, the one you found in the previous step, and press enter. In my case, I have a second router connected for this tutorial, and I want to access it. You will be prompted to enter a username and password. If you haven't changed these, they might be the default settings provided by your router manufacturer, for example, admin and admin. This information is often found on a sticker on the router or in the user manual. Navigate to wireless settings. Look for a tab or section labeled wireless, Wi-Fi, or network settings. Find the field for the Wi-Fi password, sometimes called pre-shared key or security key, and enter your new password. Make sure it's strong and secure. Apply or save the changes, and your router will restart with the new password. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.